In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete second Snapchat app copy from your Android smartphone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Basically, it is a helpful feature for us to have two Snapchat applications at the same time installed on our smartphone. We can basically use the copy of Snapchat app to sign into another Snapchat account. However, if you don't need this feature anymore, then you need to first off head over to Settings. You can easily do so by tapping Add Settings up from your home screen. Or you can just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up these quick options, and that's where you can also find that gear, and we can use it to head over to Settings. Now guys, we need here to scroll down until we find Advanced Features. And then if we scroll down a bit, we'll find here Dual Messenger. This is an Android feature that allows us to sign into another account for some applications by creating their copy. Once we get in here, we'll find the list of those applications, and now here we can easily find Snapchat, and basically to delete the second copy, we just need to tap right here at the toggle next to Snapchat. Now it says that all data related to our second copy of Snapchat will be deleted. However, you will still be able to use your main copy of Snapchat. If you would like to keep app data, checkmark it. However, I'm just gonna hit Add Uninstall now. And as you can see, the copy has just been removed. It's been turned off actually, and it's gone from here and from the app library as well. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.